Talk about your cool cash. A new large-scale cooling system comes with a bold claim. It cuts energy costs for businesses like never before. It supposedly uses up to 80% less energy than traditional air conditioning.
A local machine shop teamed up with SMUD to test it out. Only on CBS 13, Nick James is in Rancho Cordova with how it's working so far.
When SMUD and the folks here at Tri-Tool heard the sales pitch on this thing from a company in Australia, they thought there was no way that it was just too good to be true. Now that it's been installed, they say they're realizing energy savings that are unheard of. A machine shop on a sweltering summer day.
So it's 93.1 outside.
But inside Tri-Tool in Rancho Cordova, it's a crisp and comfortable 75 degrees.
Open that up.
Facilities manager Joel Walton.
These are the controls.
Shows off the company's new cooling system, the only one like it in the whole U.S. Joel says it's using an astounding 80% less energy than their old system, and it's more effective by far.
It's crazy.
It's unheard of.
It's unheard of. It really is.
So you heard the sales pitch.
So we heard about it, we just said, there's no way.
Quite simply, it is the innovation revolution in cooling technology.
Called the Climate Wizard. It's a water-based system, as opposed to traditional Freon-based units. The air coming in has very little humidity.
Climate Wizard is an indirect evaporative cooler.
It sounds counterintuitive, but the Australian company that builds it says because of how it works, the Climate Wizard actually becomes more efficient the hotter the weather gets.
There's the humidity level, there's all the discharge temperature coming out the exhaust.
Tri-Tool is collecting a dizzying array of data, testing the system in cooperation with SMUD. The utility is looking for new ways to reduce peak power use when electricity is most expensive.
So they can either build more power plants or find creative ways to reduce the load so they don't have to do that. And that's really what we're trying to do here.
And you guys are sort of the guinea pigs.
We're the guinea pigs.
If the technology catches on, SMUD may offer rebates to entice other businesses to make the switch. The major drawback appears to be the steep startup cost, but Tri-Tool says the Climate Wizard will pay for itself in just 2 years. Skeptics, no more.
This was a perfect solution. I mean, there was nothing we could buy that would work as well as this has worked. Just, there's nothing else out there.
SMUD hopes to start up that rebate program by next year. And there's talk that some local schools and even the folks building the new arena are interested.
Tri-Tool says the Climate Wizard also has improved air quality in the shop. Fresh air is constantly flowing in as opposed to recirculated air like you get with traditional cooling systems. For now, the system is intended for large-scale businesses, not for homes.